Capital and revenue income. By the end of this video, you should be able to define the terms capital and revenue income, and you should be able to provide examples of capital and revenue income. Let's start by looking at what the key term actually means. Income means money going into a business. Now let's attach that term income to our word revenue, and what we find is that revenue income is income related to the day-to-day trading of the business organisation. So this is all of the income you make from trading as an organisation on a day-to-day basis and selling your products and services. Examples of revenue and income would be sales revenue, it would be rent received, it would be interest received, and it would be commission received. Now when we talk about revenue income and we talk about sales, you can see we can split it down to credit sales and cash sales, because you may make different types of sales. If you're unsure on what those terms credit sales mean and what cash sales mean and why they're important, check out my video that I've done on cash flow forecasting. Now on the other side of the coin, we have capital income. Capital income is income generated by an asset over time rather than just from using that asset. So i.e. the asset is going to make some money. Typically this tends to be capital invested by the sole trader, capital invested by partners, or capital received from the sale of shares. Now notice that ties in with the type of business ownership that we're talking about here. So when we talk about the word capital, we mean money. Now if you go back to that original example we talked about, by investing that money in the business, you're hoping to make more from it. So that would fit with the example of an asset being used to generate more money. Of course, also any loan that you receive from the bank, exactly the same form of logic that is applied there. You're taking that loan and hopefully going to turn it into more money, so you're using that asset to generate more money. Okay, a good way to see what you understand is to test your knowledge of capital and revenue income. So see if you can categorize the following correctly: sale of products, capital invested by owner, bank loan received, and sale of shares. You can find all the answers in the video that you've just watched, so go back and check your answers. Hopefully you'll find that you can correctly identify capital and revenue income. Thanks for checking out the BeeBusinessBee YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, it's @BeeBusinessBee. Also give the Facebook page a like, it's facebook.com/BeeBusinessBee. And lastly, don't forget to check out the online hive of activities found on BeeBusinessBee.co.uk, full of quizzes, activities and resources. And remember, until next time, keep buzzing!